Hello kids, color pen name brown color, light green color, yellow color, red color, black color, pink color, sky blue color, and orange color. Sunday, Monday, coloring week name. Sunday is U N Sun D A Y Sunday. Monday M O N Mon D A Y Monday. Tuesday T U E S Twist D A Y Tuesday. Wednesday W E D N E S Wednesday D A Y Wednesday. Thursday T H U R S Thirst D A Y Thursday. Friday F R I Fry D A Y Friday. Saturday S A T U R Saturday D A Y Saturday. Bye bye kids.